Viktor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 1, Introduction. The simplicity of earthly life lies in diversity. Even though life and existence often seems complicated and twisted, everything really is that simple. Everything earthly follows a certain cycle, and things, life and existence go in an eternal circles. However, it is more accurate to say that life and existence go in a spiral because everything develops upward in each circle, whether it is the man, the soul, or humanity. Although each day of man is a cycle, he is one day older each morning, and each one grows in every step of life. This happens even though everyone usually feels little inner change from day to day. The purpose of life and existence is spiritual development that takes place in slow steps, so hardly anyone notices it. Just as the human body grows, expands, and the transformation from being a child to an adult in a very slow steps. Although no one sees to growth day by day, the transformation is visible over time. The same applies to the process of human development as well as to life and existence. Therefore, everything earthly is subject to change and in constant motion, where things change in slow steps. Everyone's direction and outlook on life and change, as do the currents and trends of humanity. Nothing stands still, and often the transformation seems to be downward and negative, not upward and progressive. Regardless of everyone's perspective and vision, humanity is in a process of development that moves upward in a slow steps. The celestial bodies, planets, and stars of the solar system are the clockwork of the life, going around in a slow process. Each cycle can last from one day to thousands of years. The position of the celestial bodies determines the energy and the frequency that prevails on the earth at any given time, and this energy and frequency determine the zeitgeist of that time. As mentioned before, everything develops upward, and life and existence therefore spiral upward depending on the position of the celestial bodies at any given time. The sun is the life-giver of all life, and without it, life here on earth in its current form would not thrive. The earth and its nature, along with its climate, are created for man and his body so that he can thrive here under different conditions in different places at different times. Wildlife, nature, and climate are very diverse from place to place on earth, and all this is done to create diversity for humans in the earthly realm. This framework is created for the soul and its development. Man is in fact an eternal soul in a mortal body, and the body is a part of the earth's natural work, in fact the vehicle of the soul, and varies from life to life. For a long time, man has adapted the clockwork of the universe where day and night alternate in a reasonable long cycle for man. In this way, everyone can go through one working day and rest and renew themselves and gain energy for a new day. For most people, each day is a specific cycle with its daily tasks and challenges. It is important for everyone to be able to rest in between to maintain their mental and physical health in order to be ready to take on new tasks that life has to offer. For many, it is as if all days are the same, and the diversity is low while others live a fast-paced life and experience a lot of diversity from day to day. The soul's life tasks are very different, and each soul choose its own pace and process from life to life. Some souls live in a rest while others work on their backs and enjoy little rest. Whether the soul lives a modest or varied life, life is a certain cycle that develops the soul upward at every step, as is each day. Every moment is a part of the eternal cycle that man, soul, and humanity follow.